deposits.
The extent of encrustation of the the rust deposits or whatever interaction with the seawater and the rest of the environment is going to vary from coin to coin,
Yeah,
correct?
it's not consistent. This is a geological environment where you have some things that are more heavily encrusted and some things that are less encrusted. Some things barely require any curatorial attention at all, and some coins require a lot of it. It can take 4 or 5 days for these to go from the encrusted condition to these are, well, three of these, it appears, are ready to come out. This one's still got just a little bit of black down here by the date, but that will be coming free soon. But I will be going through the finishing process on these, provided that the other side looks. Oh yeah, that's a lovely coin.
There's a significant difference between those coins and say a couple of the other ones that are in another tray
Yeah,
back here that are almost completely black.
yeah. Well, those just went into solution yesterday, and so they, like these half eagles here. You can see there's going to be quite a lot of stuff that still needs to come off of them, and this is going to take I would guess it's going to take these probably 4 days. I have to change the solutions on a daily basis.
Is the intensity of this solution the same? So you're not like putting a stronger solution on, say, the second or third or fourth treatment, however many times you need to treat it.
No, I'm consistent with the way the reactions go. The way I've blended this chemistry, it is essentially neutral in its pH, with a pH of 7.2 to 7.3, which is, in scientific speak, neutral. Therefore, it can be handled with just bare hands. I usually wear gloves just to protect myself from dishpan hands after so many hours of working with wet materials. But since I've been talking to you here, I haven't had my blue gloves on. But no, it's blended in such a way that the pH is that consistent neutral quality.